Hi, hello friends, welcome to our channel. Now I come with a very good job for mechanical engineers, those who are all seeking for a job. Let's see the job details. Job profile: graduate mechanical engineer. Job location: Mumbai. The company name is Buro Hobart. This is the website of this company, www.burohobart.com. This website link is available in description. You may use that link to know more about this company details. Let's see the job descriptions. Undertake detailed engineering design. Plan and help manage CAD documentation of design work. Work closely with and monitor performance of technician as appropriate. Under guidance of senior staff, represent Bureau Happold at meetings with the client, other professionals and supplies. Ensure service and project work are carried out within agreed deadlines and within budget. Ensure that appropriate service design decisions are made. Ensure senior staff are kept informed of important and relevant service design decisions and the objective of the company and the client are achieved. Coordinating his or her work with other members of the project team. Ensuring all relevant Bureau Happold staff are informed of client matters. Continually ensuring that practices, policies, strategy and services represent the clients and Bureau Happold best interest and that Bureau Happold policy is in keeping with current legislation, British standards and codes of practices. Maintaining awareness of project budgets and raising any concerns regarding budgetary of financial issues. Ensure senior staff are kept informed of important and relevant service design decisions. Ensuring all necessary Bureau Happold staff are informed of relevant client matters. Maintaining awareness of project budgets and raising any concerns regarding budgetary of financial issues. These are the qualifications. Typically 0 to 1 years of experience of mechanical design engineering, graduate member of professional institution, ability to accept a degree of responsibility in a team-based organization combined with the ability to work independently, Microsoft Office, specifically Excel, a detailed understanding including the use of macros, experience using common analysis software including or similar to CSC, Fast Track, TEDDS, Robot, ETABS and SAFE, and willingness to quickly learn to use this analysis packages if required. These are all the important required profile of these candidates. Apply link is available in description. You may use that link to apply for this job. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more videos and share our videos.